Alright guys, my box of awesomeness arrived. It shipped at 12 pounds, but I wanted to see what the actual weight was. To give you guys an idea, 14.6. So, hopefully this is something awesome. So, hold on while I unbox it. Okay, get the spider toe out. I'm just kind of hoping for anything but the Avenger, which I think is probably most people's. Oh, like I said, I'm hoping for anything but the Avenger. I think that's most people's thought. So here we go. Oh, we got the CAA APS action carbine, or Caribe, as the case may be, and the Macmillan rifle. So, not really what I was hoping for, but something I didn't have. So, there's that. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Questions down below if you have any. Thanks. Bye. Well, here's the APS carbine. There's a lot going on here, so I'm not quite going to get into that, or the other one. I guess you guys can figure that out. Although I did notice that in the listing that it said that it was a gas rifle, that this clearly says spring type. Oh well. Didn't get one of the good big prizes, but I guess you can't win every time. But this is my first box, so I'll try again next time and see what comes out. Okay, so after some thoughtful deliberation and thinking, what I've decided to do is to keep this guy for a couple reasons. One, it's a CO2 version and my previous ones were all green gas. And number two, it's full auto. So I'm going to keep it for those two reasons. And another reason is that the Elite Force is coming out with their license Glocks this year, sometime early this year, and so I'm thinking maybe of building a custom one to put in here just to kind of use. I'm not really a fan of Glocks, but since I got this one in a mystery box, I think it's going to be perfect for me. So I didn't want to end the video with you guys thinking that I was not appreciative of it, because upon further reflection, I'm thinking this is going to be a pretty good gun for me. Now, the other spring sniper I really can't use because I have 5 L96s, which I'm more comfortable with, and I have them and they're already upgraded and finished. So I don't really need that. So I'll probably pass that along to a beginning player, maybe one of my cousins or somebody else. So with that, I'll thank you and see you next time.